is a 2004 Ford Focus. I'm replacing the starter on it. Okay, so what you need to do is take the intake off. So you need to unscrew. There's a clamp. Screws this neck, that neck right there, into it. Then you need to unscrew the four. Actually, you don't have to unscrew these 4 bolts. They bolt to this. You just pull it straight out. There's these fittings that fit into there. These, and then there's going to be this bolt to the side. You can pop that out. It's that easy, and obviously unplug the switch. Then there is 3 bolts. There's 2 bolts. Okay. You see this wire right there, right here where my finger's pointing? There is a bolt down there that's hooked into it, to the starter. You can't really see from here. It's going to be right where that wire is. There's a bolt. So what I did was put a sock extension, and I put it right in here, and I stuck it past these hoses and undid the bolt. Did it there, and I also did it to the one right in there. You can see right there. I did it to that one also. Crawl up, you have to jack it up. You can get under here, and there's a bolt right. That third bolt is right there. Unscrew that, and the starter will come out. You'll pull it down, and then there's going to be 2 bolts to that solenoid holding it to pretty much. And I don't know what happened to mine. The solenoid is the bolts are snapped up there, and it's separated where it can move. Like you can see, look at that. I don't know if you can see, but pretty much the solenoid's not bolted to the starter. But that's how you do it, and I'll be back in a second. Alright, so after you get it hanging, there's gonna be a bolt there. There's gonna be another small bolt right in there. We take those 2 off, and this cable will come right off, and then the starter will come right out. And then you'll repeat the procedures to put it back in. Okay, this is basically what I'm doing. I have the ratchet into it, and I'm just unscrewing both screws. Then after that, your starter should be free. Okay, so this is what I'm dealing with. Somehow, in the grace of God, this undone, the bolts came out. So the solenoid, I'm surprised it's still starting this car. Pretty much that's what happened. The bolt snapped or came loose or something, and that's what happened. Alright, so repeating the procedure. I pulled it through this hole right here, so you just put it back in the same way. And make sure this is facing up the solenoid. And then you grab your cables and then hook them back in and down, and you just mount the starter back up, and that's it, and then it'll be done. See, the problem with my car was the alternator runs through the starter, so it was acting up. It was that solenoid pretty much. That's what it was, and then it would mess up when trying to start. But that's how you change it.
In my space shit, I need me an office. I handle my weight like a heavyweight boxer. I stay on the move and my niggas, we mobbing. Spaz on the beat, blow like gas tote that he got my niggas with me. Got that white like Brittany, watch me pull up a deuce. Fuck with my niggas and we gon' let loose. You gon' be on the news and they won't find no clues. I'm just facing this though while I'm facing my problems. You're facing the hoe. I got places to go. Space at bay, we gon' blow. Ain't no thing to let them choppers sing through your dough off the chain when I flow. I'm way up. Fuck with niggas that'll make you get your payday up. I ain't talking candy bar, but your payday up. I be lifting counting stars, you know, stay way up. Outer space, out of place around fakes, we don't talk to the Jakes. I got money to make with no money. My tummy will ache. I just spent like 300 on cake and smoke that in the day.